First we will collect dandelion, Taraxacum officinalis, or any plantain, greater plantain, a bit bitten by somebody. So we take again only the little baby, and yes, it's stinging a bit, but it's healthy. So we take just the tops. Tansy, which is considered not edible, but we take a bit. Of course, we all eat the wild herbs on our own responsibility, so we take a bit of tansy to add some nice special flavor for the dish. Very young leaves are the best. Clover. Several species, but we will take now this one, Pratense. Young yarrow, which grows up after rain, very nice fleshy leaves, and again it's a spicy herb which is quite strong flavor and taste, so we cannot eat a lot of it, otherwise we will just feel like yarrow. And just take a few leaves for our dish, for our bread. Zhengalov bread, yes, Armenian bread. We will make this today. Here's a nice group of white bedstraw, which is now very small and quite fibrous, but we'll take a bit of it to enrich our compound, of course. Later it gives a very nice and beautifully flavoring blossom flowers. But, well, it's good to educate. So we take a few of narrow plantain. It's not narrow anymore, it's so wide, it's broad. It looks like very broad plantain with some visitors here. These are just quite old leaves, so we were not gonna take it, but it's interesting to see how wide they may be, because other leaves of mallow, which blossoms like that, one of the mallows, of course, there are many of them, they have lovely fruits. I will show you just in a minute how they look like. Very nice and very tasty too, and very healthy, of course. And we'll take a few leaves. Just take a note how different the leaves are. Just delicious, like fresh cucumbers, and that's what it's favorite for. And of course, sorrel, very popular, very ancient, archaic, very tasty, safe, well known, so we'll take a few. Yeah, flowers are sweet. Usually they were eaten by kids, well, not only, of course. And for the soup called borscht. In Polish we have the same word for the plant and for the soup, and the name is barszt. Mistake with Gallium aparina or other galliums. This is chickweed, Stellaria media. Here we have viola leaves. Viola is blooming in April. Now we have only the leaves. Very nice, edible, just neutral in taste, like Które and so many others. Very flavor, so we need only 2 are enough for the whole bread. Mugwort, Artemisia vulgaris. White campion. This plant has very few leaves now, and in springtime it's very tasty, like a potherb, and it has beautiful flowers with fruits inside, so very healthy, very invasive, almost invasive, very stubborn weed, delicious vegetable. Quite rare, but also just a green vegetable, green potherb. Quite nice, neutral. Go up twice a year, first in April and now in autumn. It's worth picking, it's worth foraging, very nice. Quite bitter now, but it's not bad that it's bitter, it's okay, it's healthy. So let's forage garlic mustard. Very neutral also in taste. It's the same feature as every plant I'm showing you today. One of the lamium, We take only tops because this plant is now finishing. It's very characteristic, specific.